A tropical low is now offshore for the northwest Kimberley coast and developing. It could develop into a tropical cyclone overnight or sometime Thursday morning. At this point in time, and for Wednesday the 10th of January 2018, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. There is still a risk of a severe tropical cyclone impacting northern WA. Warning zone is in place for the Cockatoo Island to Pardoo Roadhouse, including Broome, as well as remaining inland parts of the far western Kimberley. Watch zone, the Roadhouse to Whim Creek, including Port Hedland, inland parts of the north-east Pilbara, including Marble Bar. Cancel zone, Kuri Bay to Cockatoo Island. Intensity tropical low, sustained winds in the centre of 45 kilometres per hour with wind gusts to 85 kilometres per hour. Located within 55 kilometres to 16.4 degrees south, 122.4 degrees east, 165 kilometres northwest of Derby, 175 kilometres north of Broome. There is uncertainty in the forecast track, and it's still possible the system could impact coastal parts of the central and western Pilbara during Friday and Saturday. Now we look at the Himalaya 8 rainbow satellite view, and we also have a second area of interest, and it's the Christmas Island region. Now we have a look at various observation stations, and what I'm looking at is wind and central pressure. And when I look at the observations, it gives me an idea of where the centre of circulation could be located. Here's another satellite view of the region. And the tropical low, designated 5 by other sources, not the Bureau. It's starting to develop, and once it reaches tropical cyclone status, it'll be Joyce. Force 13's main channel will start to do updates on the main channel as soon as this low reaches tropical cyclone status. Now we look at the latest NOAA floaters. We will continue to bring updated information. And it appears that the Bureau is now doing 3-hourly updates. And here's a couple more observation station reports. And I think this one might have been repeated. There is quite a bit of material that we can bring to the viewers. And again, an apology if there's any mistakes. I've only been doing the video updates for about 12 months now, or not even that. It can be challenging. I know that Nathan over there in Manchester, United Kingdom, he does have some bloopers. Now we have 3 systems on the global map. Now we look at the life of this system so far. And if Tropical Cyclone Joyce comes on the radar, I hope the ISS space station might capture some of her if they fly over the region. Now we look at some further models and their tracks, and there's no doubt that these tracks will change. This one's the EPS. I'm actually favouring that one. Now, lake cycle intensity guidance. The hours is the bottom of the scale. The wind in knots is left hand side. Here's the latest track chart from the BOA, and it looks like it's going to be a category 3 landfall. The latest Bureau of Meteorology's rainfall. This is their total forecast. I'm also keeping an eye on the Tasman Sea region. I haven't had a chance to look at the latest modelling. Yeah, 50 millibar vorticity. The upper level divergence is around 30 knots and about 20 the Christmas Island low. Wind shear is actually improving a bit. The shear tendency, a little bit more area blue. The latest track chart from the Joy Typhoon Warning Centre. Here's a satellite view. This is from another section of the US Navy. I think it's one above the Joy Typhoon Warning Centre. Now this one is temperature. At a later date I'll provide some background information on this. Joy Typhoon latest image on the system on 5. A trough lies near and southeast from the Cockatoo Islands. A weaker broad circulation lies in the trough. There is a chance the system strengthening a little over the weekend. And bye for now.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.